Here we will write a program to calculate area of rectangle using Python. For this, first we will open the IDE. Then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write description of the program. Program to calculate and print area of rectangle. The formula for calculating area is length into width. Here we are going to accept the length and width. So first we will accept the length. So L equal to int. We will use input function. So input, enter length of a rectangle. Then we will accept width. So W equal to int, input, enter width of a rectangle. Then we will calculate the area. So area equal to L into W, and we will print it using print function. So print F for formatting the output. So area of rectangle, area. Then we will save it, and then we will execute it. It will ask to enter the length. I will enter 5. Width I will enter 4. It will print area of rectangle as 20.